Welcome to the Quilt Ruler Quarterly. So for this ruler, we are going to focus our attention on the QCR Mini by So Wonderful. You will find a link as to where to purchase it, but most of the quilt stores have them, Amazon and other online shops. So it's a little bit different. It's a rectangular shape ruler. It also has a slit in it that is curved. There's lots of different registration lines on this ruler as well that will help you trim it up, the blocks, and get the most out of your fabric when you are cutting the curves. So for this, to explore this ruler, we have a pattern as well. This is not completely finished and it may be done by the time this Quilt Ruler Quarterly comes out, but this is Granny Squared. So this is kind of a play on the Granny Square quilt block, but it is introducing curves to it. So there's two different blocks in the quilt. It's like looks like a little friendship star and then kind of a 9 patch with the curve in it. And then we will be showing you how to put this quilt top together. So we will take you from cutting the fabric and the pieces that you need to using the quilt ruler, as well as finishing the top, adding borders and getting it quilted. So if this is a ruler that you have sitting around and you're really kind of wondering what to do with it or how to use it, you will find this helpful. If this is not sitting around and you haven't picked this up, you might be interested in exploring just a little bit about curves and how this ruler really can help you put things together pretty quickly because they start off with the right shape to begin with. So it helps you keep your consistency as well as get the project that we have planned finished. So if you're interested, grab the materials list, the coloring page, and the ruler if you need to. And I hope to see your quilt come together in the community.